Today, I'll be showing you how you can use this tool to make hundreds of dollars online just searching simple search terms that I'm going to give you on Google Maps. And this is a brand new strategy that I've not spoken about before on my channel that has been going really well that you can use to earn hundreds of dollars searching Google Maps and earning this in complete passive income. You can sign up completely for free. There's no long waiting process or having to get any submission approved or anything like that. And you can collect your earnings completely for free via PayPal by entering your PayPal address into a specific box. And then I'm going to show you a little trick towards at the end of this video how to double your earnings and your passive income earnings by just searching on YouTube as well. But before we get into that, guys, make sure that you've subscribed down below to this channel with the notifications on, because I am posting free courses, free YouTube videos, and free trainings on how you can make money online every single day, whether you want to reach some goals, make money online, reach a bit of financial freedom, build an audience, build a brand online, just overall improve your mindset and skills. Then definitely head down below so that I can send you a message every time I post a valuable video just like this one. And if you guys want to see what I do full-time off of YouTube, how I make about $500 to $1,000 per day drop servicing, I have a 25-minute entire free training on my entire 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp, which includes 57 in-depth videos basically having me next to you create your successful drop servicing store. My top drop servicing store made over $228,000 in 2020 profits alone from this bootcamp that I created. So I definitely suggest head down below to the first link in the description and you'll see me over there on the page on the 26-minute free training. Alright guys, so step number 1 is to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. So this is a brand new website that I've recently been using to generate in total probably about $7,000 online using this tool. So this is a tool on how you can turn visitors into customers. Now, we're not going to be buying this tool ourselves. We don't need to take any money out of our pockets for this strategy to make money. Over 25,000 businesses have used this tool to increase overall credibility and sales using this tool. And you can just copy and paste your landing pages, checkouts, and lead magnets. So basically what this is a tool that generates winning landing pages, high converting landing pages, automatic payment gateways to get your business money through sales. And all you do is you just import all of this at the click of a button. So you don't need to go through any kind of IT course to design your website. This is all done for you. Just to show you, websites and well-known brands all over the world, such as Shopify, WordPress, Trustpilot, Capterra, is associated or is connected to this website in some kind of way, which means this website is obviously highly rated. I mean, for the biggest e-commerce platform in the world being e-commerce and Shopify, to use and rate this website is a big say. So this is definitely a big factor for using this website and a big advantage that you can use to make a lot of money with this tool because its reputation is very good. And I highly recommend that you come over to this website. I'm going to reveal it in a bit to read through it because it's always important to understand the kind of tools that you're going to be using to make money online, simply because, you know, the more knowledge, the better. The more you know, the more chances of you earning is higher. Take a look at this. This tool generate more sales guaranteed. So like I said, this tool increases conversions by highlighting recent orders, product reviews, and a variety of customer behaviors on your website that tools like WordPress, Shopify, and other e-commerce tools lack, making this website a little bit ahead of the competition, which is why I've been able to make so much money through this tool, which is why I decided to make a video on this today. Step number 4 is you're going to come all the way down to the bottom of this website. Like I said, I'm going to show this in a bit. You're going to then click on the affiliate program over here, which will then take you to this page over here, which will say earn up to 40% monthly commission for every paying customer referred by your unique link. Free instant sign up. Now, what I really like about this pays completely passive income for the rest of your life. So if you refer just 5 people your first month, 5 people the next month as your goal, 5 people per month, you are now going to have 20 or 10 people paying you every month. If you refer 5 people each month for 4 months, you're now going to have 20 people paying you every single month. Passive income, which will be thousands of dollars every single month and every day. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to this website over here, ProveSRC.com, which stands for Proof Source. you're going to click on free instant sign up over here, which will take you to this page over here. You can either enter your email, password and confirm that, or you can sign up with Google, which is what I'm going to do just to take you through the process of signing up a new account. And on this dashboard, you will see your affiliate link over here. So this is the magic link that will make you money by just simply searching Google Maps. Make sure to keep watching because this will all make sense as you'll see how I'm going to integrate this website with Google Maps. Over here, you just enter your PayPal email address and you can request a payment straight to your PayPal account. And the next step is very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to come over to Google and you're going to type the following: website ranking businesses. For example, we can click on enter over here, and all you're going to do is you're going to click on maps over here, which will take you to a page like this. And from here, it's fairly simple. You want to scroll down a bit to the people that are a little bit lower down and not really ranking at the top. So over here, for example, we can choose this business over here, IT design. All you want to do is you want to click on their business on Google Maps. You want to see if they have a website. Let's open up their website link. And on this page, you can see they have an info line, a website, and then a phone number that you can phone. And all you want to do is you want to open up your email client, whether it's Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, Apple email, whatever it is. You maybe want to create a good looking professional email. And you just want to mention along the lines, hi there, this looks like Rion Miles of online marketing business. I recently came across your website on the number 2 page of Google, and I myself is a ranking expert as well. Since you are a ranking expert company too, I'd like to suggest you guys, if you'd like to look at getting more customers through the door, definitely check out this tool down below. It is a website called ProofSource that specializes in ranking websites and checkouts to get more customers through the door of your business and ultimately to get more sales and more revenue for your business. If you'd like to have a look at this tool or chat more, send me a message back and I'll send you the link or the link to the website over. You kind of want to ask them and be organic at first. You don't want to slap bang spam this link in the email for the first email. You want to start a conversation and seem organic as possible, simply because that builds trust with the people that you're reaching out to on Google Maps. And what you can go and do is head back to Google Maps over here, just close this. You can come back by clicking the back arrow and you can see over here tons of other businesses in the IT ranking and digital marketing services niche that you can go and reach out to. And this is just in one city, which is Port Elizabeth, South Africa. So there are tons of cities around the world that you can go and use this strategy for. Basically millions of businesses. So there's nearly infinite people that you can reach out to, and if you have the goal of just signing up 5 people a month, that is a passive income of well over $1,000 a month. Then what you can also do is you can come over to YouTube. You want to search a keyword, how to get higher conversions, and all you want to do is you want to come over to one of these popular videos. So for example, 7 hacks that will boost your conversion rate. Let's open up this video. What you want to do is you just want to pause this video, come over to the comments of the video. You want to open up, for example, one of these people commenting, because obviously these people are interested in increasing their conversion rate simply because they obviously searched this video on YouTube. So over here you can come over to the channel, click on the about section, you can click on view email address over here, and over here you can get their email address. And what you want to do is you can do the same thing, reach out to people on YouTube by just making money searching YouTube, the same template that you would use on Google Maps, and reaching out to those businesses on Google Maps. And do remember, you're going to get people that are going to ignore you, or people that are not going to reply, or people that will say no, but it takes 1 or 2, 3 people to bite, and that comes your first income online and your first passive income that will get paid every month. From there, you can always keep going with this or invest into a paid strategy where you can make even more money, where you can collect leads, build an email marketing automation list, and build even more passive income from there. But like I said, guys, if you want to get access to a 26-minute free training on how you can get lifetime mentorship from me, lifetime access to my 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp where I give away over $19,000 worth of bonuses, definitely head over to the first link in the description. You'll see me on this page over here. Without further ado, take care, and I'll see you over here.